Okay, today I am cooking tofu with beef and roast pork. I am using oyster sauce, salt, white pepper, garlic pepper seasoning. Has garlic, black powder, onion, brown sugar, paprika, red and green bell pepper. Okay. ABC's sweet and hot sauce, hot and sweet sauce, but really just hot. Chili powder, red wine vinegar, hoisin sauce, and Shaoxing cooking wine. Okay. I already put oil on the bottom of the pots. Then I'm gonna put in chili powder, 2 rounds, depending on weather outside. If it's cold, 2 rounds. If it's hot, 1 round. And then put in the ABC hot sauce, and then put the tofu on one side, and put the ground beef on it also next to it, and then on the side put in the roast pork. Then I'm gonna add the seasoning to it, the garlic pepper, the white pepper, the salt, and the vinegar. And then I'm going to close it, and then I said add salt, right? Add salt, and then I'm going to close it, and then put it on medium fire, let it cook for 6 minutes. After the 6 minutes, uncover it. Put a half a stick of butter in there because the ground meat is very lean, and so is the roast pork, so it needs some fat to it to make it taste better. Then I'm gonna add about 5 cups of rice wine, some hoisin sauce, and some oyster sauce, and then mainly that's it. Then I stir and until till the butter's melted, and then it should be done by then. Okay. Yeah. And that's it. Give it a minute. Okay. First is the chili powder. 2 rounds. Okay. Then the ABC sweetened hot sauce. Okay, and give it a minute. Okay, this is the ground beef. Here is the. I usually would use silken tofu, but I don't have it at hand, so I'm using firm tofu. As you can see, I cut it in big pieces, square pieces, because I didn't cut the bottom part. I just left it long. Ooh, hoo hoo hoo. Okay, I'm gonna put well, it's supposed to be in the middle, but then just kind of fell off the track. So I'm gonna put the roast pork on the other side. Okay, give a minute. Okay, ran into some problems. What I thought was roast pork was actually roasted chicken, and I'm not putting chicken in this, so axed it out. So this is tofu with beef, and since I'm not doing roast pork, I am minusing the hoisin sauce. Okay, first off, this is the tofu water that I got. Sadly, it's only 1/3 of a pint of water. Okay, first off is to, what was it? Pour the water in. Wait, should I pour it in or we'll pour it later? No, pour it in. Okay. And, what was it? Yeah. The seasoning. Okay. First off would be the white pepper, because white pepper is gonna be hard to see. Give it. Hey, first off the white pepper. Okay, that's 2 rounds. And that was white pepper, and now this is the garlic pepper. Garlic, black pepper, onions, brown sugar, paprika, red and green bell pepper. Okay. And about 2 rounds. Okay. Salt. Two rounds. Okay. And 3 cups of vinegar. Because the beef, I have it in the fridge for about a week, so I'm not sure how good it's gonna be. So, you know, better be safe than sorry. So the vinegar is gonna help wipe out any bad taste and bad smells. Okay, and also help break it down a little bit. Okay, give it a minute. Okay, I already put 2 caps already. Now the third. Okay. Wait, should I? Okay, give it. Okay, I'm covering it now. Put it in a medium fire and let it cook for 6 minutes. Okay. Okay, give it. Okay, the point of the tofu water is to help neutralize the spiciness, and the spiciness is help to maybe give some flavor to the tofu. Okay, hope it works and hope it softens and help braise a little of the beef. Okay, give it. Okay, it's been 6 minutes now. I need to break this thing apart, break it down. Okay. Okay, give it a minute. Okay, I just chopped half a stick of butter, and on each side I poured in two cups of cooking wine. Seltzing cooking wine. Each side had two caps. Now this is the fifth one. I'm putting right in the middle over the butter. And give it a minute. Okay. Still on medium fire here. And and now squeezing up Hade's oyster flavor sauce. Oyster sauce. Okay, you don't have to use butter. You could use what was it? Sesame oil, but I wanted to have the taste of the butter. I want to try this this butter hoisin taste, butter oyster taste. So you know, that's why I'm doing it. And I'm gonna stir it now and wait for. Actually, I'm gonna wait for the butter to finally finish melting before I start stirring. Or should I keep stirring now? Okay, I think it's stir now. I think. No, I gotta wait for it to totally. Okay, I gotta stir now. Give it a minute. Okay, I've been stirring for 3 minutes. Now I'm shutting it off. And it should be done now. I really hope that the beef and tofu works well. Sadly, I don't have onions. I would definitely want to put onions if there was. Okay, hope it goes well. Okay. Okay, that is a surprise. I fit all that into just one container. Surprising. I hope it tastes good. Okay, give it. Okay, I just reheated the thing, and it looks like this now. Hope it tastes good. Okay, give it. God, that is a big surprise. This thing tastes like beef bacon or beef stew. You know, with the pork, with the beef fat. That's what this tastes like. I was expecting something else. I was expecting hopefully for a buttery oyster sauce, but instead I got beef bacon. Really surprising. Did not expect that. Really nice. It tastes really good. I cannot believe how good this shit tastes. And I was thinking that this butter, surprisingly, this butter doesn't really actually taste like butter. So it's surprising that it tastes this good right now. So that's even more surprising. Sadly, it doesn't taste like butter though, but it tastes like bacon, beef bacon. So that's no loss. This was even better than I thought. The beef and the tofu, great. The sauce even better. Shit, man, this was awesome. Everything is good. I'm just wondering. No, everything is good. It turned out great, better than I hoped. I was wondering, should I have cooked the beef halfway and break it down halfway, but no, this is great. This turned out wonderful. I can't believe how delicious the damn thing tastes. This whole thing like a big beef bacon, really, really delicious. I love this shit, man. Oh, gotta do this again. Okay. Wow. The spice is still there. It was after eating it that my tongue, shit, my tongue started throbbing. Ow, ow. Well, it's a little numb right now. At least it's not too spicy, so that was a good thing. And it's cold outside, so this is okay. Just a little numbing. It's not burning my tongue or burning my lips, so that's a good thing. So even only eating it, the after effect, so it's still good. It's just that I did not expect it with after effect. I was so worried that because I didn't add onions to sweeten it up, that it might be super hot. But I also remember that the butter could calm it down. But then weird didn't happen. But then the delay effect, not a problem. At least I finished my meal. And then had the spice hit me, so that was still good. Other than the little numbing on the tongue, not much, not too bad. This was a great test, and I love the results. Can't wait to do this again. This is so awesome. Okay, let's see if one night over is it still that good? Okay, give a minute. Okay, surprisingly, after one night, it doesn't taste like beef bacon anymore. It tastes like butter with tofu and beef. It's not exactly like beef bacon anymore, but it still tastes good. So I'm surprised that it changed. It was just weird that it changed. And surprised that it tastes like butter, because that thing that the butter that I use does not taste like butter. I mean, it has very little butter taste, but the whole purpose of using it was to, since I didn't have onions, I needed, water. And then, I'm thinking, oh, what was it? That butter has little, mostly some part of it, mostly oil, water or milk, right? So why not to use it as this? And also helps emulsify and helps calm down the heat. And also, it was less spicy, so that's good. Not a good thing. So it has now a butter taste on the beef and tofu, and it's less spicy, so not bad. Sadly it changed, but it's not too bad. I really like it. Definitely gonna do this again. I want to see, could I add maybe some cream to it and see would it even make it better. But this is really good. I really like this. Even though it changed, it is still good. I wonder if would I have changed if I added the onions. That's the thing. I wonder. Okay, and that's it. Okay, let's see if the third time is still the same. Okay, I can't believe how buttery this thing tastes. The tofu tastes like butter, and the beef tastes like butter. I really gotta try this with mushrooms and see, can I replicate the same thing? I really like this flavor.